in these times of uncertainty, how do you get the conviction to put big money to work?
So, frankly speaking, it doesn't bother me. I'm not worried about those uncertainties. The idea is to find shares which would do better than others.
Investing is more of an art than science. The gifted artist Vijay Kedia has picked more than 500 baggers so far in his celebrated investing career. Picking 100 baggers is not a small thing because I am thrilled and proud about myself just by picking 3 5 baggers and 1 miss 30 bagger in my short investing career. And how do you think you can achieve it? There might be many ways to do that, but Vijay Kedia says that the secret sauce is conviction. The conviction that the business will do better than its peers and gain market share consistently over the years. And more importantly, one should have that fearless attitude to ignore the day-to-day fluctuations in the stock price. Let's listen to him how he gets that conviction to invest large sum of money.
I just want to understand from you that people or large investors like you make big money when you bet on something with conviction, right? जब conviction होता है तो you bet maybe 2x the amount that you would bet in a low conviction stock. For example, right? I'm just loosely using the term. So in these times of uncertainty, how do you get the conviction to put big money to work? Or is it that right now you're not putting very large money to work, you are buying, but you're buying small? How are you doing it?
No, I'll tell you, Neeraj, one thing I have realized and experienced in this market, that there is always uncertainties, right? Gravity could be, or degree of uncertainties could be large or small or something. But when you are absolutely 100% sure in the market, so usually it happens when you are at the peak of the cycle. Otherwise, there is always fear in this market. So, frankly speaking, it doesn't bother me. I'm not worried about those uncertainties. The idea is to find shares which would do better than others, right? Where you have less fear than in the field or than in the sector where there are more fear. This is what our job is. So accordingly, I am planning my investment.
Vijay Kedia is known to have 100% invested for the past 30 years of his investing career. However, shockingly, in March and April of 2020, he had cash in hand, somewhere around 5% of his portfolio, that should be around 50 crores. The main reason he gives for staying 100% invested is regret. He says, I'm okay to regret when the price falls after investing, but I can't bear the regret when it goes up without me completely invested. Don't think this statement sounds like a FOMO, because Vijay Kedia, before he could invest in any stock, he follows the company for at least 2 to 4 years, and in many cases, more than 5 years. In our case, we rarely or never do that, and 2 to 4 years of accumulated knowledge about a company gives him enough conviction to buy the stock in one go.
Because the degree of uncertainty may be high because of COVID-19, that you are not betting 100%. You might be betting maybe 60% or 70% of what you usually would do.
I don't do. I haven't learned that kind of thing.
No?
I have learned one thing. Yeah, I have learned one thing. Karna to pura. Give your 100% or don't give your 1% also. Even 99% is 1% only. You know, it is like love. You love, then you love 100%. Otherwise, you don't love. So somehow I haven't learned that thing. That कि अभी थोड़ा कर लो और थोड़ा इसके बात करेंगे. वो मेरे से नहीं होता है यार. अपने बात अपने. So this is what. हाँ.
Okay, no, sorry. So I have a follow-up. I remember. Like honestly, it just came to me right now that when we were doing the first Alpha Moguls, Vijay, आपने मुझे बोला था that you at times are happy if after you buy something it falls down. आपने बोला था शायद that whenever you buy things fall down.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and then you tend to buy more. So therefore, my question that in the current times when because of your track record and because of the fact that there is COVID, are you therefore buying maybe? For starting off, are you buying maybe 15, 20, 25%, or are you kind of buying a lot more?
No, I will tell you, I haven't improved myself on that subject.
Okay.
Because, why I will tell you, because for your viewers, what happens, like suppose if I buy something, and as I said that whenever I buy, after that market falls once. Okay. So suppose if market does not fall, you see, there are two kind of things. I buy, and the share price falls. Okay. And if I buy less and market does not fall or the stock price does not fall and it goes up, so that pain would be more to me. then I would really have my night, sleepless night. अरे मैं लिया क्यों नहीं यार? I should have bought. तो मेरे पास जिस समय जितना पैसा रहता है ना दोस्त, मैं उतना पैसा उस शेयर्स में लगा देता हूँ, और उसके बाद वो गिर जाता है तो वो रिग्रेट हो रहा है। वो रिग्रेट मेरे लिए उस रिग्रेट से अच्छा है कि मैंने नहीं लिया और मार्केट बढ़ गया। वो मेरे लिए पेनफुल होता है। या
Vijay Kedia shares that he doesn't let uncertainties bother him, focusing on finding shares that outperform others. His investment approach centers on conviction in businesses gaining market share and fearless attitude amid market fluctuations. Kedia emphasizes the importance of giving 100% conviction when investing, even during uncertain times. He acknowledges the potential for regrets, but prefers regretting a price fall after investing than missing out on potential gains. Despite market fluctuations and COVID-19 uncertainties, Kedia maintains his commitment to investing with full conviction.